Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm just a block or so north of Flagler Street, and this is an FEC wooden trestle bridge. It's abandoned, even though they're still, well, they're removing the crossing, so it's pretty much abandoned for all intents and purposes. This is here looking south. That crossing there is the Flagler Street crossing, which is currently being removed. And this is the actual bridge. Yeah. I always wonder what it would be like. That's north, and this is south. What a shame, guys, huh? It's heartbreaking, I know. And let me see if I can get you guys a shot of the bridge from this angle. Lovely, lovely. Alrighty guys, thank you for viewing. Please subscribe, like, or share. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.